The next era of AI video. AI-generated videos are now a reality. Runway Gen-3 lets you create cinematic visuals instantly. No cameras, no crew, just AI. What is Runway Gen-3? Runway Gen-3 turns text, images, and motion prompts into ultra-realistic videos. Type a scene, and AI brings it to life in seconds. AI video like never before. This AI isn't just for still images, it animates characters, upscales old footage, and even transforms sketches into full scenes. How it works. Simply type a description, pick a style, and let AI generate a high-quality video. It's filmmaking made effortless. AI versus traditional filmmaking. Why spend thousands on cameras and crews? Gen-3 creates stunning videos instantly, saving time and money. The future of AI video. Is AI the future of filmmaking? Runway Gen-3 is just the beginning. Will Hollywood embrace it or compete? Comment below.